Welcome to our latest Adobe Photoshop tip video. In this video, we will show you how to modify the interface in just a few simple steps. This is best shown with an artboard open. First, you need to go to Edit in the menu bar and then open the Preferences and click on Interface. In the new window, you can now modify your interface by choosing one of the presets at the top, or modify the sections separately. You can also change the highlight color with the drop-down selection, as is shown. Feel free to try out the different settings to your liking. If you want to see the channel colors, just select it. We hope you like this video, and if you want to support our channel, please use the Amazon link in the description, so we get a small fee.